Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Queen Tiffany here. How is everybody doing? I also have Princess Kimberly. Kimberly, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, we got a bunch of things to open, a lot of slimy goodness today. The only thing that's not slimy will be our squishy mooshies. Smooshy mooshies. So, let's get cracking. Okay. Let's do our smooshy mooshies right away. Get them all done. We got our little besties. Let's open her up. I'll have to use my scissors. They can hear you. We got our candies. Our little poster. Oh, this is a cute poster. Look at it.
So cute.
Pop-Tarts, macaron.
I don't know what the next thing is. A cube ice?
A cube, maybe cube of ice. Jelly toast and a popsicle.
Yeah, that jelly toast.
Yeah, we do have the jelly toast.
And that, like, little...
And then we got our bracelet, and it's an orange, just like the orange I posted last week. The squishy orange. They're so cute.
They're like twins.
I can take that out, and I can wear it.
I can.
Or Princess Kimberly can.
I don't know who fits me. I'm going to see.
Here you go. And it comes with a little chain to go on top too. Of this little smooshie. We got the sushi. He's so squishy. He's so cute.
I don't like sushi.
I don't like sushi either, but a lot of people do.
Some people on this video might.
Mm-hmm. If you do, that's good. A lot of people like sushi.
Some people do, not all the people here. I have the smooshies will look cute together. What about the orange twins can go together?
Okay, I don't care. You want me to put that over here? Okay. And bracelet back over there. You can see everything? Should I move this over?
To me.
I think next we're going to open something new to my channel. The OMG surprise.
We don't know what's in there.
Looks like it might be
some slime.
Yeah. I don't know how to open it. It says pull here.
If you can open it, I can open the next side. You can open the next side.
You unwrap it and crack it. And it looks like at one side surprises and the other side we got pretty slime.
Can I hold it when you do it?
It's like a blue, green, teal color, like mermaids.
Mommy, can I hold it?
You want to play with the slime? Yes, you can play with the slime when I'm all done here, okay?
You done with it? Don't cut the slime.
Okay.
Put it for a little bit, for a minute.
Queen Tiffany fans, what do you all think of slime? I love slime, especially this kind. Look at it stretch. And it's got some pretty little glitter in there. I don't know if you can see it. Yep. You should be able to see that. Look at how shimmery and sparkly and beautiful it is. And it comes in these little like lollipop things.
Yeah, the lollipops.
Or balloons, maybe.
Lollipops and balloons. Lollipop balloon.
It's a fun little amount of slime. It's perfect to like play with all day. You can still get bubbles in it. Don't know if you can hear that. Let's see. I'll put it up to the microphone. Some pops. And it feels wonderful. Soft, but it still has some texture in it. Gorgeous.
And I was going to squish it. I'm good.
Oh. Yep. Squish it for a minute.
I like this feel.
Put this. Oh.
At least.
The stick comes out.
Well, that's like, then it'll be like a balloon without a stick. There's hard.
Okay. I can't get it back together, so.
Dude, it smells gross. It kind of smells good.
It smells like slime.
It smells kind of good.
And we get a mermaid ring! Yay! I'm gonna wear it on this finger. Doesn't tell us if it's like a rare or anything like that. Okay. So we'll move all these pieces up. Now we're going to get to the Num Nums snackable slime kits. I think this entire video pretty much is all about slime.
Only one thing. Only one thing. I'll have the
You
num
get your...
Get the num nums from you. The little.
Okay, in this pack right here. Oh, I didn't even read. Why are donuts so sensitive? Princess Kimberly, do you know why donuts are so sensitive?
I know.
I bet you we'll find the answer in here. But first, you get the instructions on how to do everything. And the little guide here. And I'm hoping to get... I kind of want to get the pizza. I really like pizza. Or we can get like the cheese down here. That'd be fun. Or cheese smelled. It's different. And then the little things, I'm kind of hoping for the Billy Bell. He looks cool. Or even the Fab Fungi. I don't like mushrooms, but that one's cute. We also got Rain Bear. She's a rainbow. A little marshmallow bite. And then for this stuff, I'm kind of hoping I get the spreadables. How about you, Kimberly? Which one of these big ones would you like?
I want the egg. The golden egg.
The golden eggs. Golden yolks is who she wants. How about any of these? Do you want any of those?
Yeah.
Which one?
The chocolate.
This one? That's meatball. This one? Chocolate square?
Yeah.
And then you want the golden yolk, so the party yolk?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put that to the side and we'll see who we got. Okay, so why are donuts so sensitive? Because they have all the fills. They have all the fillings. Feelings. And you got a little fork and a knife over here. And this one says, go cooking. Get cooking, sorry. I can't read today. Oofta. Okay, so we got a few blind bags. 3 of them. We'll open the littlest one first because you find your little ones in there. Let's find the scissors. Yep, got it all the way. Looks like we got a 3 stack here of the triple berry. Triple berry. They're so cute. We got a little guy right here. Don't know if y'all can see it. And then a little girl. And another itty bitty little guy. Looks like he's yawning. He's got one little tooth in there. Aw. There, right there. So, I'll have to lay it down. And then we got another little berry, it looks like. His name is Blue Wiggle. Blue Wiggle. He's looks like a little blackberry or blue raspberry. Super cute. Which one should we open next? I think we'll open this one. It's kind of smooshy. So I'm guessing it's our bigger Num Num. It doesn't look like it's pizza, but it is bread. Wonder what it smells like. To me, it kind of smells like vanilla. Let's find it on the Betty Baguette. And she has vanilla smell. And she is an ultra rare, guys. She is ultra rare. We're smooshy, it says. And she is a smooshy. She's got like bread. Looks like bread on this side, like the inside of bread. Y'all see how bumpy it is? And then on the outside, she looks like a baguette. Super duper cute. Oh my goodness. I can put my berries on top of her. Like that for now. Until we get to our slime. This is what we were all waiting for. To reveal the slime. Which one do you think it is? We got our little knife, so I'm guessing what it is. I think it's the spreadable. We got the grape jelly. Grape jelly. I'm pretty sure this is grape jelly, which is a spreadable one. So we're supposed to be able to take this. Hold on. I'm going to move the camera down so y'all can see. I'm going to put it down like this. Put this right here. Let's zoom in a little. Okay. Open it up. Can y'all see that? How beautiful that is? Look at that. Okay, here we go. I think it's getting a little bit hard, guys. I don't know. Maybe it just needs to be mixed a little. Nope, I think it's getting a little bit hard, but it definitely smells like grapes. It is delicious, and it's got little heart confetti in it. It's beautiful. I'll have my Princess Kimberly over here play with it a little bit and see if she can get it to soften up just a little bit. You wanna play with this one a little bit so then to see if you can get it to soften up? If not, that's okay. We still got it. It still smells like grapes, and we got this ultra rare baguette. Beautiful with the berries. And Kimberly says it smells really good too. Really, really good. Cute little container it comes in. Oh, forgot to move you guys back up in the world. Okay, now we're going to open our other num noms. So many surprises inside. Okay, once again, a fork on that side. Open this part up. Got another different little little joke. A knife on this side. Get our stuff out of the inside. We got why do comedians love eggs? Why do comedians love eggs? Do you know why comedians love eggs?
Maybe because they taste good.
Maybe. Guess we'll see. Oh, we got one like this last week. Oh, it's separating. Look at that. Oofda boofda. And the answer to our question is they know how to take a yolk. Ha 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 ha. Know how to take a yolk. Get it? Know how to take a joke? Okay. Now let's open up our little ones. We got these ones. These are our little ones. Let's Let's see here. We got a little marshmallow again. We got 2 little marshmallows. I think they're the same as last week. Let's see. We got Susie Squish and Toasty Puff. Susie Squish and Toasty Puff. Exactly the same as last week's, but that's okay. Did I get chocolate frosting last time? And this little packet comes with the little tip. And then we got keep fixing it. We got our pink little crepe again. Yay! This one is a duplicate. Same with the little marshmallows. And they still smell delicious. Now, I think last time I got the vanilla whipped topping. This one is the chocolate. But it is separating, guys. Bad. So I'm not going to squeeze it out, but I am going to smell it. It should smell like chocolate. Let me know if you want me to in a video. It kind of faintly smells like chocolate. Oh, it's so sticky and gross. Ew. I'm going to have to probably wash my hands, but it's so shimmery. Do you guys see that? Oh, and it definitely is chocolate. Definitely. You want to smell it, Princess?
Can't smell it.
You can't smell it? It's definitely a chocolate smell. It's so shiny. I love the shimmer. I just wish it was all together. I think this is the older season of them. So, let me wipe off my hands. I think these are the older season. So, the newer seasons probably wouldn't be like this. The older seasons, they probably just sat on the shelf a little too long. Just a little too long. So, that's why they get like that. You can put that one back in here since it's not wanting to go. You can still smell it. Now, you guys, let me know if you guys want me to do a video where I mix all my slimes. Because I will. I'll do that just for you guys. Okay, so next up, we got the Pops. Pops nuts. I think we'll start with the little ones today. Okay, we got some Pops nuts. We got Just Pop Can't Stop. 64 snots to collect. You guys ready? Okay, let me find the little, down here in this little compartment. Don't forget to look in here, because that is where your little guide is. And then you got a little game that goes with it too. You can play with your snots. Here's all of our little guys. Put that to the side. Okay. And we'll start with the orange. We'll do all the 3 oranges. Ready? Set and pop. Ooh. This one only has, I think, 2. Ooh. They get to be loud. They're scary if you don't know that they're coming. There's 1 in each color. Yep, here's our little guy in the orange. And he looks like this. I wonder what he is. Let's look. He looks like a TV snot. He's a TV snot. He's a common. And we'll put him in his little snot. Move the snot over here. Move it over. I'm not a good singer. I don't know why I sing. Okay. And the green snot out of that smaller one. Nothing in that one. Ugh. Oh, so snotty. Yeah. Snotty. I wonder if I could spread this one out. Kinda. Okay. Yo, he's covered in snot. He looks like a little tractor. Cool. Look at them teeth. Look at him smile. So he is Tractor Snot. He is also a common. We got our commons. Yay. Okay, and last one to open up for this opening would be the big Pop Snots. Find 4 friends. Look at the little dinosaur. A little alien. This is a fun little package. And if you keep these, you can pop these out like this. And I do believe these are part of the game that is on the back of your guide. But I'm just going to open it up like this. And dump them out. Okay. Put them all over there. Move my camera. Oh, one's hiding in my camera. And we're gonna start popping. And, oh, looks like we got a little guy in here. Looks disgusting. I thought it was a bug. I mean, maybe he is. You never know. You'll see him. His name is... Oh, not on this one. We got a new guide. I didn't even look. They're different. Okay, so we got Goo Grooves, Slime High, Blobvengers, so it's like the Avengers, Scary Splots, Slimefony, Fossil Fungus, Solar Chowder, Sporty Snots, Blotched Jobs. This one is Gurgle Goth. His name is Gurgle Goth. Boom, 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 boom. Put him in this little slime with the little tractor. There's a bubble. Okay, and keep popping. Oh, we got lucky and got a new one. Oh, and it's a different color snot. This one's a yellow snot. Yellow snot. And this is our little guy. He's a worker. Oh, I got yellow snot all over me. It looks like somebody sneezed on me. Let's see what his name is. Jackie Hammer. He is a rare. Jackie Hammer is a rare. More green snot. And yellow snot. Nothing in these. Nothing. Can you guys tell on camera that this is yellow and this one's green? Or do they both look green? I can tell. This one's neon yellow. It is pretty. Ugh. Yellow. Nothing in there. And, ooh, big bubble. Big bubble. Green. And, oh, more yellow. Oh, the yellow is more snot-like. Yeah, it's so gross. It's so gross. Okay. Oh, a little cover on this way. A little cover on that guy. Let's see. Ugh. There's a little guy in this one. That's yellow. And this is a doctor, it looks like. Let's see who he is. He is right up here. Oh, got snot on it. Dr. Splotch. He's a common. Now we're waiting for one more guy. Snot monster. I think we found him, guys. Can't get him out of the snot. Oh, this snot's a little time. Oh no. Okay, so we got another little guy. Don't know what he is, but look at. Looks like he's got brains. Let's see what he is. We gotta find him now. Looking. He's white and blue. I think he might be the Soggy Wet Wrap. He's a mummy. So he goes in there. Gonna go swimming in his slime. And then we got 2 more to pop. That one in there. And that is it today, guys. So we got our little snot dudes, green, orange, and yellow slimes. We got our little num-nums and our slimes over there. And we got our smooshy mooshy besties over here. How fun. We had a fun time opening all of these. Today, please let me know what's your favorite. I still really like the num-nums. Even though we couldn't play with the slimes because they were all separated. I need to find the new series of num-nums. When this quarantine where we can leave the house again, I'm going to go out and find some Num Nums. Because they are so much fun to play with and find. Got some marshmallow Num Nums. Ooh, they can go in here. Yummy! Okay, so please like and subscribe if you like this video. I will see, this is Queen Tiffany and Princess Kimberly, and we will see you next week. Bye!